Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is on a continuous upside. Okay, and this is the particular trend we have seen from 2012 to 2020, and after that these are 2-year patterns. Okay, 8-month pattern, and this is a smaller months pattern. What we have seen, this was the range where the price is moving for so long, and as soon as the price started going upside, we have seen that it moved out of this zone and made a new high. If you look at this particular trend, chances can be high that if the price keep moving over this level, a probability of making new high, we can see a level of around 2759. This is the high we have seen. It's an all-time high, which is it's making a higher and higher, because this is the first high we have seen a profit booking comes. These are the levels profit booking comes. Now it is continuously on a higher side. So if the price started sustaining above a level of 2749, a further upside we can see, and a chances of making a new high also we can see. Looking at this particular chart, if you go and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Looking at the dollar index, what I have told you, that if the price keep moving above a level of $102, a further upside movement we have seen. Okay, the price is trading above a level of 103.5, which is also a strong resistance. Okay, now it is acting as a support, so chances can be high if the price started going and sustaining this level, which is now at a level of 104.215. Chances can be high a further upside we can see, because a level of 104.8 is a level where is a strong resistance in there. If it sustains this level, a probability of crossing this level we can see, and it can go above a level of 105, and once started going above this level, a probability of touching 106.3 we can see, and then a further upside, and this is the range. But if the price started going down, a probability of touching 103.5 will be there, and then to a level of 103, and if it started going below this level, we can see it will fall below a level of 102, which is a strong support. So we can see a further downfall. So you have to remember this point. So if it started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see. If I'm saying dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. Similarly, if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. This is what we have seen. Okay, but sometimes they both move in same direction. So in that case, you have to put your SL. This is what you have to do, okay, to save your capital. And once you start in profit, trail it, so then your profit will be there. Now if you look at this particular trend, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain, we can see it can go towards its next level of around $2759, and once started sustaining of this level, we can see a level of 2770, and so you can trail your SL by $7, and if the price keep sustaining of this level, a further upside we can see towards a level of 2800 also, and then keep trailing your SL, so further upside we can see. But if started didn't sustain, then we can see the next support coming at a level of around 2721, and if the price started going below that particular level, we can see it can go towards $2707. If the price moving below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 2683 will be there, and then from there a level of 2669, then to a level of $2660. Okay, when once the price fall below this level, a probability of crossing 2616 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of crossing a level of 2600, and then further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,